name is Lim. Welcome to Prime Interview. I would just like to ask you a couple of questions on investing in employees, patients, and community well-being. So, to start with, what is it essential for a healthcare provider in particular, to prioritize the well-being of its employees?
Jenny, thanks for having me today. And I'd like to share a bit about the story of Island Hospital and our sustainability initiatives. Healthcare workers are the backbone of the hospital's ecosystem. Their physical and mental well-being are essential for an effective, efficient, and compassionate service delivery to patients, especially in their moments of need. By investing in our employees, we are not just cultivating a more productive and conducive work environment, but also facilitating the optimization of patient outcomes. At Island Hospital, we are committed to ensuring that our team is well taken care of. Through the years, we've implemented numerous initiatives, including our IH2H program, Island Hospital, My Second Home.
Wow, okay, that's very interesting.
So it's aimed at creating a home-like atmosphere within the workplace that includes recreation areas for our staff where they can mingle, enjoy meals, and unwind during breaks. So we want our staff, doctors, employees, our patients and visitors to treat the hospital like it is a second home. One initiative that we added on since the end of last year was also to engage our staff to reach out to the community. So not only we do our job, we work within the hospital facilities and the services of the hospital. We wanted to increase our footprint by giving back to the community of Penang.
How do this, contribute to the hospital's efforts of delivering person-centered care while aligning it with the sustainability strategies?
We recognize that our employees are the heart of patient care. And when we prioritize their well-being, we enable them to be physically, mentally, and emotionally empowered and engaged to provide exceptional care. In addition, this fosters a positive and supportive work environment that boosts teamwork and employee satisfaction, which in turn increases employee engagement and retention, and ultimately helps us deliver world-class healthcare to our patients. And a stable and motivated workforce enables us to maintain high standards of care delivery and facilitating the sustainability of our operations.
I understand that you have this hospital new peel wing, what's the patient-centered element incorporated into it?
Oh, that's a great question. The peel wing was conceived with the patient experience and comfort as a priority. It provides a modern healthcare design perspective of ambience that aligns with the beautiful environment of Georgetown. So what we intended to do was to bring the outdoors inside, providing patients and visitors with a wrap-around views of the urban scape, bringing a lot of daylight into internal areas. In addition, there is green landscaping that's been integrated generously with sky gardens, offering a tranquil retreat within the hospital tower and enhancing the overall wellness environment for our patients and visitors. In addition, to focus on minimizing our environmental impact, the peel wing blends modern healthcare facilities and eco-friendly features. Among these are unitized system panels with double glazed low E glass for thermal insulation of the facade to minimize heat transfer between the interior and exterior of the building to reduce energy consumption for cooling. Aluminium cladding and extruded louvers around the facades to expose to sunlight to prevent heat gain and further reduce energy usage. As I mentioned, soilless vertical green walls employing a unique and patented green on wall panel system that uses less energy for maintenance and less water for irrigation, and to enhance the aesthetics of the building as well as provide additional insulation from the urban environment. And all these are watered by our rainwater harvesting tanks, making them truly something unique in the Georgetown urbanscape.
So with all these features facilitating, how do you see it facilitating your patient's journey?
Well, the intention is that these features would all come together to enhance the patient journey by creating a more comfortable environment for their healing. Besides being better connected to the environment and landscape of Georgetown, our patients benefit from a regulated environment with stable temperatures, generous and wide planned spaces contribute to more efficient and seamless patient experience. And the use of greenery is literally a breath of fresh air that offers a serene visual experience. Ultimately, the emphasis on comfort is an extension of what the hospital feels, and it makes the building more pleasant and inviting while demonstrating our commitment to nurturing a caring and environmentally responsible space for our patients.
I mean, having said all this, what are the best practices upheld by Island Hospital to ensure its seamless operation?
Our operations are guided by a patient-centered system model where the priority ultimately is to personalize care for our patients. And by focusing on the patient or customer experience, we enhance satisfaction and engagement to have the positive effects of better clinical outcomes as well as improved operational efficiency. When it comes to patient care, we are firm believers of a multidisciplinary approach. Our doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals work together to ensure that each and every one of our patients receives holistic care. And by leveraging health information technologies such as the electronic medical records, we facilitate patient data management and documentation, reduce errors, improve efficiency, and ultimately do our job better. We've also rolled out additional patient-friendly modalities such as a mobile application to enable advanced appointment bookings, easy access to important details like appointment times and clinic locations, as well as, I think the biggest pain point for anyone coming to a hospital, a real-time queue tracker to enable our patients to virtually monitor the queue status and also better streamline the hospital experience.
Definitely, because yes, with international travelers and especially medical ecotourism, people would need really to go to a place that they can feel like it is a second home.
Yeah, correct. And I think that mindset is what has made us the #1 medical tourism hospital in Malaysia, because of this additional element of that Penang warmth and genuine care for our patients, and that's why they think of us even through a pandemic. This year, I think we will probably touch 250,000. The numbers are looking that way, and we are very grateful that we are able to be an outstanding player in the medical tourism industry. To be what we call a flagship for the country, something that Malaysia can be proud of, that, hey, we are not only good enough for our local patients, we are also good enough for our international patients. Yeah, it's a journey.
Yeah,
it's a journey.
It's a journey.